It looks like we got another hotel right here. Oh, hello. Oh, no, I don't need any knives right now. Oh, no, I cannot buy any knives. I'm sorry. Oh, but like, I cannot buy anything right now. I'm in the middle of a video. Oh, no, we don't need to buy knives. I cannot buy knives today. I'm sorry. Hi, are you the reception?
Yes, I am.
Oh, could we see a room? We need to see some rooms. I just want to make a YouTube video about the different options we have.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I take the key. Yeah?
Okay, perfect. And how much is the room here?
So we go any price. Start from 250.
Okay.
There's a standard room until 350.
250 is like $15 US, and then 350 is a little bit better of a room. Let's see the 250 rupee room.
Yes. Yeah, just a minute. I will
Okay.
take the key. Yeah?
Perfect, thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. I would like to show you the room.
Oh, perfect. You always got to watch your step when you come down these stairs. Oh, this is a nice little room for 250. No pool though, right? No pool. Oh, there is a pool. So $15 for a pool.
Together.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a room for $15 US. It's actually not bad at all. And we just got the lights turned on, so that's good. So we can get a nice video going here. And then we got the little baby workspace right here. Maybe not the best thing for a tall guy like me. And then we got the shower here. So for 15 bucks, this is actually pretty good. I would say, yeah, it's really good for $15 for this kind of room. And oh, we have AC.
Yeah,
AC for $15. I think this is a really steal of a deal, guys. Let's check the water pressure in the bathroom like we always do. Is it okay if I turn on the water pressure? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot of water pressure. That's not bad, guys. So you have water pressure, you've got an AC unit up there, you've got a big bed, and let's see how comfortable the bed is. Oh, a little bit hard, but definitely doable. It's no Tempur-Pedic, but it will get the job done. And then a nice area to hang out outside. And how are the monkeys here? Do the monkeys come and say hello to everybody?
So sometimes the monkey come in the morning and breakfast time. So but not every day, yeah. Sometimes.
Sometimes they're not consistent. So they come in the morning time because they know they can get food in the breakfast time.
Yeah. So now I would like to show you the room.
Yeah.
With, it's bed.
Oh, nice. But that's a beautiful room for 15 bucks, you guys. That's a really nice room, honestly.
So for the price,
Yeah.
4 room, the same.
Yeah, and we have access to the pool too. But yeah, I found other places yesterday that are like $40 for a very similar room. So this is definitely not a bad deal. But this is a nice swimming pool. Looks like the deep end is at least like 5.5 feet deep. So at least, a tall guy like me can kind of swim in there and maybe get some exercise. Nice. I just love the peacefulness in these kinds of places. I only walked in here like, I didn't know about this place beforehand. I honestly had no idea. But yeah, this is definitely a good value. Very nice pool. So this one is $350. $24 about. Really nice and really good lighting also. And you're upstairs. And the bathroom looks good too. So yeah, this is the bathtub. So no shower. Is there no shower? Yeah, there is a shower. Is it okay to test the shower? Okay, thank you. Let's see how the shower works. Nice. So that looks like it's got a pretty good pressure going on. You got the rocks right there. And then we have a toilet. Very nice toilet. Almost looks like one of those Japanese toilets, but it's not. A nice view right here. So when you're taking a bath, you can kind of look out and explore. The monkeys maybe jumping on the rooftop while you're taking a bath. That could be also fun. And then, so yeah, this is kind of the view overall, what you get for $24, $25. I don't think it gets much better than that. Just be careful. If you come back late, don't touch the cactuses. It's too bad the monkeys aren't here.
Monkeys.
They're very naughty.
No, some of monkeys very friendly.
Yeah, they are very friendly too. But some monkeys not very friendly. I think the baby monkeys are the least friendly. Baby monkeys, they're the ones that are, you have to worry about them biting. This one is 300,000, so it's kind of between the two. So that's around $21, guys. I'm gonna check it out. Thank you. And this is a good little workspace right here you have. It's actually like a proper desk. So yeah, that's definitely a nice desk for, you know, this price. And then here we got the showering room. So one thing is, you know, when you have a bathroom, you want good water pressure. So we always test this. That's actually probably the best one. And then the toilet, it's not bad either. Everything is pretty good and in place. Very clean. And then, yeah, the bed, a good, nice big bed, very simple. Nice little painting right here. So yeah, and then you walk out and you are very happy because you're in Bali, Indonesia. You have banana trees right here. And you also have got this guy, the Buddha, very happy Buddha. So how can you be in a bad mood when you wake up to this guy? Breakfast here is included, right?
Yes, yeah. Those all, you know, the price including breakfast.
Yeah, so it's including the breakfast. Yeah. So it's a very good value. What do you guys normally have for breakfast? Every day changes?
So, no, we got the menu. If you don't mind, I will show you the menu.
Okay, so it's a a la carte. You pick what you want every day.
Yeah, you can choose.
Okay, that's awesome. When I traveled, I never really booked a hotel until I like got to the place. So here's the breakfast area. Beverages, fruit salad, instant coffee, egg dishes, boiled egg, fried egg, and then banana pancake.
Banana japal or toast, you can choose. You know,
oh, that's great. That's awesome. That's really, I mean, I do like the banana pancake here. Yeah. It's a Dutch inspired pancake, and like they really do it well here in Indonesia. They throw on some coconut, they throw a banana on there, a little bit of chocolate, like just Nutella or something else. It's amazing though. I love your guys' food for breakfast. It's amazing.
This is all the same.
Oh yeah, okay. All the same menu. Yeah. Perfect. Well, thank you very much. This is Balinese, like for welcoming people.
Welcome, you know, two hands in front of the heart. You know, this is,
okay.
Yeah, because we are welcome from inside the heart. You know,
yeah.
Something like that.
Very welcoming people.
Because my father-in-law only has a daughter, you know, they have no son.
Yeah.
That's where they give the place is Dewi. Dewi, this means the woman.
Okay.
And Ayu, this means beautiful.
Terima kasih. Thank you very much.
Okay, enjoy your time.
This is one of my favorite restaurants here in the city center, right smack dab in Ubud, really close to the monkey forest. It's not the cheapest restaurant in the whole area, but it is the most affordable restaurant within this main strip here in Ubud. I call this the Ubud Strip, so you're gonna find lots of bars, lots of very nice vegan restaurants and other kind of smaller portion restaurants. And yeah, kind of they get you in the door with the cheaper prices, but they don't really give you that much food actually. This place actually gives you a very good amount. Thank you very much. Oh, perfect. So yeah, guys, this is the gado-gado. This is one of my favorite dishes here at this restaurant, but also gado-gado is just like one of my favorite Indonesian salads in general. Like it's just very refreshing. You got the peanut sauce right here. It's got a whole bunch of assortments of vegetables. Every place is a little bit different. And the peanut sauce sometimes can be a little bit like lemongrassy. This one in particular is just more peanut flavor. But yeah, this one is a really good one here at Dien. And the best part about this place is that their beer is only $2 for a big bottle of beer. So that actually makes this place a very good place to meet up with friends. If you don't want to spend too much money, because some of these places can be $4 for one beer, and then the actual meals could be $6 or $7. This gado-gado costs around $2.30. Not a bad price at all for this area here in Ubud, because Ubud is very touristy. It's a very nice place, but also there's a lot of tourists that come here and enjoy the monkey forest, and you know, it does inflate the prices, especially here in the city center.